Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from processdriven.co and they're looking for a community coach. It pays $20 to $35 an hour and of course it is remote. Are you a ClickUp power user who sees a business problem and who thinks, I could set up ClickUp to fix that? With a second thought of if so, Process Driven is looking for you. Process Driven is seeking a part-time remote community coach that will work hand in hand with the CEO to help our members systemize their business operations using ClickUp. As a community coach, you'll switch between the hats of business consultant and software trainer as a guide of our members through the ClickUp learning curve. The community coach will be reporting to the operations lead. This role works directly alongside the CEO, who is also our content creator and customer support coordinator, to increase customer engagement and retention. From the start, this role will obsessively optimize member onboarding and retention processes to ensure every member is equipped to make the most of the membership, provide timely responses to members' questions and comments in writing. This will require you to ask strategic questions to help members identify the why behind the questions, blend your familiarity with ClickUp's feature with a masters of the process-driven approach that will teach you to provide personalized guidance to our members, review and master all existing process-driven learning resources so you can connect members to tools that will help them meet their needs. Connect members to one another in order to facilitate collaboration and encourage sharing of multiple points of view. Create Loom video recordings in order to model using ClickUps to resolve member issues. Provide behind-the-scenes support for online membership events, including live streams and workshops. Develop ClickUp templates and worksheets content to help members understand our content as needed. Stay ahead of the curve on ClickUp updates, process, and best practices and major changes to software that might impact our members' experience. Once the basics are mastered, this role will have potential to advance into duties such as host live membership events, including trainings and orientations, host private sessions with members to 1. Understand their challenges, and 2. Help them design strong workflows or ClickUp structures to overcome these challenges. If you haven't gathered it by now, we hire people, not robots. This role has ample room to grow for the right candidate. If you're a member of Team Process Driven, we will help you grow as your skills and responsibilities so you can continue to grow as a professional and as a person. Signs you'll love this role. You're highly skilled at explaining complex topics in an easy to understand way, whether by writing or by talking through it. You're an empathetic and clear communicator. You have advanced knowledge how to use ClickUp in a small business environment, but eager to learn more. For example, if asked, how can I publicly share ClickUp dashboard with my client? Or how can I have ClickUp automation trigger 3 days before the due date? You know the answer within 15 minutes. You crave responsibility and autonomy. You take pride in your work and you're known for your work ethic. Given the chance, you feel confident and you could pour the energy into this role. You're a natural problem solver with a strategic mind. When facing problem, other people just make a plan. Meanwhile, you're already plotting out plan A, B, C, and D. You're experienced in maintaining positive and professional demeanor, especially when interacting with customers who may be upset or anxious. You never miss a deadline. You have an exceptional organization and time management skills. Your friends and family know that when you say you're going to do something, you're going to do it. When you put your mind to something, you make it happen. When you succeed, you still aren't satisfied, but because you know there's always room to improve. You do not own your own business or side hustle. You believe you're at your best when you're part of a team and you embrace that. You are personally interested in helping small businesses, less than 20 employees, become better organized and build better lives for small teams and small businesses owners. You aren't afraid to speak your mind. If you have questions or an idea, you're willing to share with your coworkers so we can all learn together. You have previous experience and genuine appreciation to remote-first work environments. Bonus points if you already know and love process-driven YouTube content or courses. If you have experience, our courses, or other content, please include this in your application. Signs you will hate this role. You have a tendency to get lost in the details. You're not obsessed. You consider yourself a pure strategist. You find change unsettling. You aren't big on deadlines. And you aren't sure if you're like remote work and you run your own business or want to squeeze in an extra job onto an already full plate. So some of their core values is enjoy the process, make work human, embrace responsibility, commit to growth, and decide to decide. They're looking to hire a remote W-2 employee who is in the United States. This role will be part-time for 15 to 20 hours per week with the potential to easily grow into a full-time for the right candidate. The budget for this position is $20 to $35 per hour, depending on a candidate experience. You will need to have access to your own computer, a quiet work environment, and fast internet to perform the duties. You must be able to work on a consistent schedule. However, you can set this schedule to any time within the business hours of 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday, excluding all U.S. holidays. To succeed in this role, you also need to be able to attend our bi-monthly team meeting on Wednesdays at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Other benefits of joining Team Process Driven part-time include 401k with employer match, remote first team, internet stipend, paid time off, and no weekend or evening hours are required. You will have to do a quick skill test for 20 minutes. Then you have a round 1 interview, a round 2 interview, and then the offer extended. So this part-time pays $20 to $35 per hour. Some of the benefits include 401k, time off, the schedule no nights, no weekends, just a self-determined schedule. You will have some questions to go through, and education they will prefer if you have a bachelor required. So if you feel like you're the perfect person for this particular position, I'll put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't sweat it. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel, and all you have to do to be one of the first in the know is to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified and find the best remote work from home job just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.